Hi, this is Wanda Tarini from ecofilesmobile.com. I hope everybody is doing really well today. What I wanted to talk about was I actually wanted to answer a question. We've had several pharmaceutical companies meet with us, which is really, really exciting. And obviously the most common question is, how does ecoFiles specifically apply to the pharmaceutical industry? And hopefully before you see this video, you've actually seen the video talking about what is ecoFiles. So at least you kind of have that groundwork. But I wanted to talk a little bit about how the pharma industry and medical device industry can specifically use ecoFiles because I actually come from that space. I used to be a pharmaceutical marketer, and so I can definitely dig really, really deep into this particular question. So think of all of your tactics that are developed to just drive awareness. And we kind of call that push marketing, where we're sharing a message and we're pushing that message out, but there's really no opportunity for us to pull those interested parties in. So think of TV, journal ads, radio spots, conference panels, exhibits, speaking engagements, brochures. All of these are flat marketing tactics that we've all depended on and are really critical to our marketing mix. But the problem is that as our target audience view these tactics, we really have no idea as to whether they were actually affected by that particular tactic. So ecoFiles is a great add-on for all of these traditional tactics, where by adding an ecoFiles call to action, when your ideal customer is primed and is affected by your message, they get to text and respond immediately. So whether it's, let's say it's a product for depression, and whether it's a TV ad or perhaps even a poster in a waiting room, you can provide a call to action providing top 10 indicators that you or your family member or you or your loved one are experiencing signs of depression. Okay, so this is an opportunity to offer value to your ideal customer, ideal prospect, and bringing them in to a relationship with you where you're providing something of value to them, and then in turn you have the opportunity to deliver your message as an add-on to that value that you're delivering. So we'll use a different video to talk about really thinking about your ideal customer, but to give that perspective in the pharmaceutical space, almost any of your tactics that you're currently using could utilize an ecoFiles call to action to boost the effectiveness of that particular tactic. So consider ecoFiles. Definitely, if you're using your marketing dollars for TV, radio, journal ads, conference panels, it's a must. I mean, it really, for a nominal cost, it significantly boosts the impact and effectiveness of that campaign. And if it doesn't boost the effectiveness, it will actually be able to give you some metrics as to whether it's affecting your audience at all. And the faster you understand that information, then the faster you can actually change your approach so that you are doing something that affects and helps your ideal client. Patient interactions and patient value is huge. If you're putting together YouTube videos or a YouTube channel for your patients, if you're putting together wall charts or anatomical models or anything of value that would be sitting in the physician office, you definitely could utilize an ecoFiles call to action to be able to connect with that interested patient and create a long-term relationship. So I hope that that answered that question. I mean, clearly I could spend a long time brainstorming with particular brands, and we have, but since that question keeps on coming up, I thought I'd take a couple of minutes just to give you a top line view as to how ecoFiles can help your pharmaceutical or your medical device brand. And I really look forward to being able to meet with you directly so we can delve in deeper into your particular objectives and figure out how we can boost your revenues, boost your patient population, and boost the value that you're bringing to your target audience. Have a great day. I hope that really helped out, and I look forward to meeting you. Thanks.